Welcome to this technical analysis of rapid charging, focusing on power delivery protocols, thermal management systems, and the long-term impact on lithium-ion battery health. Intelligent engineering bridges the gap between speed and longevity. The myth that fast charging severely reduces lifespan is countered by modern systems using a, quote, two-phase process and intelligent management. The device dictates the flow, not the charger. Modern devices use built-in thermal management and power control systems to actively monitor internal temperatures and regulate the incoming power flow to prevent overheating. Phase 1, or bulk charging, prioritizes velocity. When the battery is low, it can absorb energy rapidly without significant internal resistance or heat buildup. This phase typically runs from 0% to approximately 80%. Phase 2, trickle charging, prioritizes preservation. Once capacity reaches roughly 80%, the protocol shifts. Power input is reduced significantly to safely top off the battery, preventing chemical stress and saturation. Recent studies show the impact of speed on battery capacity is statistically negligible. The engineering safeguards of Phase 1 and 2 work as intended, resulting in a minimal variance in degradation. Heat is the true enemy of lithium-ion longevity. While the charging protocol manages internal heat, external factors can bypass safeguards. Excessive heat, not the speed of the protocol, degrades batteries. For safe charging, use certified equipment for accurate communication between chips to regulate power. Practice thermal hygiene by avoiding extreme temperatures and charging in hot cars or direct sunlight. To optimize battery longevity, follow the 20 to 80 rule. Keeping the battery in the middle range optimizes chemical longevity. Fast charging is ideal for quickly entering this safe zone. The trade-off between convenience and longevity has been solved. Utilizing intelligent thermal management and the two-phase charging architecture, you can prioritize speed without compromising hardware.